What's up guys, Roman Billiard here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install Sherlock the Devil's Daughter for free. So go to the link from the description and you will be redirected to Pirate Bay. Click on get this torrent and uTorrent or any other torrenting service you have will open up. Since I already have this downloaded, I'm just going to show you. It's 7.68 gigabytes. Once the download has finished, click on stop if you want to stop seeding. Click on it with a right click, open containing folder, and then launch the application here, which will launch the setup. In the beginning, you will see these question marks because I presume it's in Russian. What you have to do is click here on English and then click on installation. Click on next, choose where you want to install, click on install, finish that. And once the game has installed, you will have a desktop shortcut here. Right click on it, click on open file location and search for this file, cpy. Right click, open or edit, whatever you want, and then set language to English. It will say Russian, but just erase this and type in, it will be like this, Russian. All you have to do is erase that and type down English and click on save. And now you can play the game from your desktop menu. It's as simple as that.
The belongings of the victims, Rasco and his acolyte. A normal pocket knife. A standard deck of playing cards. A police report about Rasco. He's only a minor criminal. A Webley revolver. Rasco is fond of licorice. Huh. Please, escort this suspect for interrogation. Good day to you, sir. My name is Sherlock Holmes.
Thomas Garrett. Why am I here?
You are a witness to murder.
Of course. Well, it wouldn't be the first time that the police jailed an innocent man in order to close a case.
No one has been charged yet.
Yet.
Did you perhaps see anything in particular during or after this disaster?
Yes, I saw part of your bourgeoisie burn up and explode. It was spectacular.
Why did you remain in the square? Why not seek shelter?
Like the rest of the sheep, there were some wounded comrades, workers. I wanted to help them.
Do you have any electrical knowledge?
How'd you know about that? You a mind reader?
There are electrical wires amongst your belongings.
Clever. Yes, I teach electrics to my comrades, since I'm currently without paid work. I'm self-taught, so we're not as dumb as you might think. And I don't want to work for bosses anyway.
You have a severe cough. Are you suffering?
It's only a cold.
Why not be honest with me? You are spitting up black fluid.
Ah, well observed. Yes, I have enough coal dust in my lungs to fuel an entire London district.
You were a miner then?
Since the age of 13, yes. At the Newcastle mines. 15 years of hell. Those were bloody times. But now it's over. I don't want to die in those holes like my father and my brothers did, in order to line the pockets of the rich.